Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between majestic mountains, there lived a diverse community of animals lions, elephants, zebras, monkeys, and birds of all colors and size coexisted harmoniously. They respected each other's differences and celebrated the strength that unity brought to their lives. One day, a massive storm swept through the village, leaving behind a path of destruction. Trees were uprooted, homes were damaged, and the animals were left feeling vulnerable and helpless. As they surveyed the wreckage, a courageous lion named Leo stepped forward and called for a village meeting. Leo addressed the crowd. My fellow friends, we have always thrived as a community. Because of our unity in these difficult times, we must come together to rebuild our village and restore its beauty. Let us combine our strengths, talents, and resources to overcome this challenge. Inspired by Leo's word, the animals formed teams based on their unique abilities. The elephants used their strengths to lift and move heavy debris. The monkey utilized their nimbleness to climb and repair damaged structures. The birds, with the aerial expertise, scouted the area for potential dangers and provided a bird's eye view of the situation. Meanwhile, the zebras, known for their teamwork, coordinated efforts among the different teams, ensuring smooth communication and collaboration. They acted as a bridge between the animals, fostering a sense of unity and purpose. Days turned into weeks, and the animals tirelessly worked together, sharing their knowledge and skills. Gradually, the village began to regain its former beauty. The once damaged homes were repaired, fallen trees were replanted, and the wounds caused by the storm began to heal. But it wasn't just the physical restoration that impressed the animals. They had witnessed the strength of unity firsthand. They had seen how their diverse backgrounds and abilities, when combined, created a force that was far more powerful than they could have ever achieved individually. With newfound resilience and solidarity, the village thrived even more than before. The animals realized that unity was not just a response to adversity, but a way of life that brought them closer and allowed them to accomplish great things. As the year passed, the village became a symbol of harmony and inspiration for neighboring communities. Other animals started seeking their advice and guidance on how to foster unity in their own lives. The animals gladly shared their stories and experience, spreading the message of strength in unity far and wide. And so, the village thrived not only in its physical beauty but also in the bonds that connected its inhabitants. The animals never forgot the lesson they had learned during that stormy time, that together they were invincible, and that unity was the key to overcoming any challenge life might present. And in the heart of that village, a mount stood tall, depicting all the animals side by side, forever reminding them of the power they held when the embraced strength of unity.